Good morning, everyone. It's me, Arjun Pokhrel. First of all, I would like to welcome all my dear students of class 10 in my online class. Today, I am here with the fourth part of the first chapter, that is force. And today, I am going to teach another topic of the first chapter, that is relationship between radius and gravity. This is very important chapter. Dear students, come close to me and listen carefully what I am telling. Relationship between radius and gravity. Radius means radius of the earth. Okay, radius means what? Radius of the earth. Relationship between radius and gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. First of all, let m be the mass of the earth. M be the mass of the earth. The mass of the earth is considered as capital M, and R be the radius. Then the force of attraction of a body of mass M on its surface is in the figure. First of all, this is considered as earth. This is the earth, and suppose the mass of this earth is M, and the radius of this earth is R, capital R, mass capital M, radius capital R, and a body of mass M present on the surface of the earth. Suppose here in any place, okay, present on the surface of the earth. Suppose it is present here, and the mass of the body present on the surface of the earth, that is small m, and the mass of the earth is capital M. And we know, according to Newton's law of gravitation, capital F is equal to Gmm by R square. Okay, this is the mathematical formula. Relationship between force, mass of body, and mass of the body present on the surface, and the radius of that body. Okay, that is the mathematical formula to calculate the force, to calculate the gravity. That is F is equal to Gmm by R square, or mg is equal to G capital M small m by R square, according to what? Newton's second law. Okay, according to Newton's second law of motion, we know F is equal to mg, and we can write mg instead of F, or G is equal to Gm by R square. Small g is equal to capital G capital M by R square. We can cut this small m and small m, so G is equal to Gm by R square. G means, this small g means acceleration due to gravity, and this m means mass of the earth, and this R means what? Radius of the earth. This is the expression for the acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, the value of G on the surface of the earth is independent of mass of body. Okay, the value of G on the surface of the earth is independent of mass of body. It means this G, acceleration due to gravity, does not depend on the mass of falling body. It does not depend on the small mass. It only depends on mass of the earth and radius of the earth. Okay, acceleration due to gravity does not depend on mass of the body, but it depends on, acceleration due to gravity depends on what? On the mass of the earth and the radius of the earth. Again, G is inversely proportional to 1 by R square. Okay, G is what? Inversely proportional to 1 by R square when capital G and M are constant. Okay, it means what? As the radius increases, acceleration due to gravity what? Decreases. Okay, listen carefully. This is very important term that you need to remember. This is also important to write the answer of reasonable question. Once again listen carefully. As the radius increases, acceleration due to gravity decreases. Okay, one reasonable question related to acceleration due to gravity. Why is value of G greater in Tarai region of Nepal than the Himalayan region? Why is value of G more in the Sira of Nepal than in the Mustang? Why is value of G more in the Chiton than in the Kathmandu? That is the question. Okay, its answer is the value of G. Okay, the value of acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to the height from the Earth's surface. Okay, the value of G is inversely proportional to the height from the Earth's surface. That is, where R is the radius of the Earth and H is the height from the Earth. Okay, Earth's surface. As the height in Tarai is less than that in what? Himalayan region. As the height in Tarai is less than in Himalayan region, acceleration due to gravity G is greater in Tarai region than in the Himalayan region. Okay, the value of G is inversely proportional to the square of the radius of the Earth, and we know that radius of the Earth is more in the Himalayan region. That's why acceleration due to gravity is less in the Himalayan region, and radius of the Earth is less in the Tarai region. So acceleration due to gravity is more in the Tarai region. Another question: the value of G is more at poles. The value of acceleration due to gravity G is more at poles than the equator. Why? Okay, in the Earth, the value of G is more at poles, in the polar region, in the North Pole and South Pole. Okay, the value of acceleration due to gravity is more, but in the equator region, okay, in the equator region of the Earth, the value of acceleration due to gravity is less in comparison to the polar region. Why? Answer is that the Earth is not perfectly spherical. Okay, it is like the shape of the egg. Okay, shape of the orange, not perfectly spherical like the football, like the volleyball. It is not perfectly spherical. The Earth is not perfectly spherical, but it flattened at the poles. In the polar region, it what? Flattened and bulging out in the equator region. Okay, it means the polar radius of the Earth is less than the equatorial radius of the Earth. Okay, it means what? Polar radius of the Earth is less than the equatorial radius of the Earth. As the G is inversely proportional to the square of the radius of the Earth, the value of G is more at the poles or the polar region of the Earth than the equator region. Simply, the polar radius of the Earth is. Now, difference between capital G and small g. Capital G means gravitational constant. Small g means acceleration due to gravity. Capital G, it is called gravitational constant. Small g, acceleration due to gravity. Capital G, it is a force between two unit masses separated by 1 meter distance apart from their center. Small g, it is a acceleration produced on a freely falling body due to gravity. What is the SI unit of gravitational constant? Newton meter square per kg square. What is the SI unit of acceleration due to gravity? Meter per second square. It is a scalar quantity. Capital G is the what? Scalar quantity, because it has only magnitude, no direction. Small g is what? Vector quantity, because it has both magnitude and direction. What is the value of gravitational constant? 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. And the value of small g is what? Not constant, but generally its value is what? 9.8 meter per second on the. This is the diagram of the Earth. Polar diameter of the Earth is what? 12,714 kilometer. Likewise, equatorial diameter of the Earth is 12,756 kilometer. From this diagram, it is clear that equatorial diameter of the Earth is more than the polar diameter. In case of polar diameter, only 12,714, but in case of equatorial diameter, 12,756. Here 14, here 56. That's why equatorial diameter of the Earth is what? More than the polar diameter. And as the diameter is more in the as the polar diameter is more, polar radius is also more, and as there is more polar radius, acceleration due to gravity is what? Less. And since weight of the body is given by the product of its mass and acceleration due to gravity, that is W is equal to mg. Since weight of the body is given by the product of its mass and acceleration due to gravity, W is equal to mg, it is obvious that weight of the body is maximum at poles and least at the equator. Okay, as acceleration due to gravity in the as the acceleration due to gravity is more in the polar region, weight of the body also more in the polar region, because we know that W is equal to mg. We have the relation that W is equal to mg. Okay, equator region, in the equator region of the Earth, acceleration due to gravity is what? 9.78 meter per second square, and in the polar region, acceleration due to gravity what? 9.83 meter per second square. Average, this is equal to what? 9.8 meter per second square. You need to remember this value. This is very important for exam. Okay, equatorial region acceleration due to gravity 9.78 meter per second square. In the polar region only 9.83. Okay, from this data it is clear that acceleration due to gravity is what? More in the polar region and less in what? Equatorial region. Average acceleration due to gravity is equal to what? 9.8 meter per second.